I just rolled up his window so I can do this recording. What do you think, bud? You ready to go in? Get you all checked out and straightened away and see what's going on in there? All right, let's go see. Well, we're doing really well. We just met with our 4th year student who took all our vitals and our history, and we're mainly irritated that we got our temperature taken and there was no cookie afterwards, which is not part of the deal, he says. But we're doing good. We had to get some in order to get our exam today, so we're a little bit wobbly still. One of the things about Bubba is that he doesn't tolerate handling my vets if I'm not in the room, and you know, for some things like today, I can't be in the room. So that means most of the time the vets have to give him a little something to help him relax. He's usually kind of low-key for quite a while, so he is kind of slumbering in the arms of Morpheus a little bit here from the butorphanol they gave him at the vet today. And so I'm gonna let him just rest and not bother him. I'll finish the update in the morning. Hey everybody, I thought I'd give you a quick update on what we found at the cardiologist on Monday. Bubba was a champ. This is a couple days after our visit. He's still a little, not quite himself. They did an echocardiogram, which is a way of looking at his heart in motion, and they found that he has what we knew he had, which is a pretty solid heart murmur. For those of you who know, he's graded B2. He's not in congestive heart failure yet, but they see a little evidence that that might be coming down the pike. Some of the vessels connecting to his lungs have some fluid buildup in them, but so far his lungs are clear, so that's good news, and he doesn't need any medication for that. We are increasing his heart medication a little bit. It helps the heart contract because he's got a little bit of enlargement there, which we knew. And the other news is that he does have an arrhythmia, so his heart just beats out of sequence sometimes. And we had seen that in July, but it had corrected. It turns out that basically, instead of his heart starting the rhythm in one place, there's an electrical impulse in one place. His heart is trying to start the rhythm in 2 different places. So still no medication for that because he's not in AFib at this point. But it just means his rhythm is a little uncoordinated sometimes. And other than that, he's in really good health. Nothing else is happening. He'll be 13 in October, and we're going to just keep giving him his meds and keep giving him his food and going on short walkies that he enjoys and tolerates well. And that's that. I mean, kudos to people who study canine cardiology and all the stuff they can tell us about how to keep these guys healthy and happy when they're dealing with things like heart conditions. So that's our update for now. Thanks everybody for your good wishes, and we'll see you in the next video.